Hello students, our today's topic is tolerance limit. What is the business scenario for tolerance limit? The finance manager wants to define different authorization for posting high amounts through the accounting staff. He also wants to set tolerance limit for posting in GL accounts in local currency. He further wants to set posting limit for payment differences in customer or vendor related transaction. For that, first SAP mapping. Tolerance groups for employees. Users are assigned to the tolerance group. Tolerance groups for GL accounts, tolerance group for customer or vendor, and tolerance group for employees in the local currency can be created per company code with amount per document, amount per open item, cash discount per line item, permitted payment differences. So, for tolerance limits, we have to first mapping for the GL accounts, employees, and regular postings. The blank tolerance group or employees is the one which every company should always have. First step defines tolerance group for employees. You can define different amount limits for your employees. You use these limits to determine the maximum amount for which an employee is permitted to post a document. The maximum line item amount an employee is permitted to enter in a customer, vendor, or a general ledger account. The percentage amount an employee can enter in a line item. The maximum acceptable payment differences. Payment differences within certain tolerance groups are posted automatically, and the system either adjusts the discount or posts the difference to a separate expense or revenue account. For that, To this, to do this, you have to define the maximum amounts or percentage rates that the system should automatically post to a separate expense or revenue account. If an adjustment to the discount is not possible and or the difference amounts for which the system should adjust the discount. In this case, the discount is automatically increased or reduced by the amount of the difference. You can also differentiate according to company codes since the same limits usually apply for a group of employees. Enter the limits for employee groups. You then define the amount limits and tolerances for employee group and company code. For that, we can use transaction code OBA4 or bypass SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Business Transaction, Open Item Clearing, Clearing Differences, Undefined Tolerances Group for Employees. सैप में हम देखते हैं कि हम टॉलरेंस ग्रुप कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं. हम पाथ वाइज जाएंगे. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, okay, we will log in first. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Business Transaction, Open Item Clearing, Clearing Differences, Defined Tolerance Group for GL account. First, we have to define for employees. Check our companies already exist or not. Position TRE1. Okay. नहीं है तो हम डिफाइन न्यू एंट्री करके डिफाइन कर लेंगे. क्लिक ऑन न्यू एंट्रीज. Enter your company code. First we will group leave blank. Now enter your limits. We will enter your limit 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. And for open item, that's for due date, due open, which invoices are due and expenses are due. 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. And cash discount we will allow only 5%. For payment differences, revenue we will set amount 100. For expense also 100 and percentage 10%. For expense 10% for revenue and cash adjustment 10%. Press enter, then click on save button and then click on create request. Enter your details. TRE1. Define tolerance group for employees. Then click on continue button. Now we will create another group by copying it. Select it and then click on copy button. Enter our group number ZTR1 and we will change the amount to 30,000 and here for open item 5,000. Cash discount 5, revenue and income, rest of we will leave same. Now click on save button.